is stuck in the clouds. She begs me to calm down, says, boy, quit fooling around. I told her I love the view from up here. Warm sun and wind in my ear. We'll watch the world from above and sway to the rhythm of love. My heart beats like a drum, a guitar string to the strum, a beautiful song to be sung. She's got blue eyes deep like the sea that roll back when she's laughing at me. She rises up like the tide the moment her lips meet mine.
Having made your vows to each other in the presence of your witnesses, your guests, Sheila and myself, it's my very great pleasure to tell you you are now the husband and wife. Would you like to kiss your wife?